Hi, welcome back to the Machinist Corner. Today we got an A36 carbon steel plate that is plasma cut all the way around the Blanchard ground, top and bottom. We're standing in front of the 6120 with these high-speed mills that are perfect for this job. These high-speed mills remove stock really quickly and they have great tool life. Now we're ready to start. Let's go. Now that this is done roughing, we can go show you the finished product. This is the finished product. Thank you for joining me in Machinist Corner. Visit our website for more information. That was good. That was like the end.